In this video, I'm going to show you where you can see the macro code that you just recorded. So let us go to View tab, then over View tab, go and click to Macros and say click View Macros. So keyboard shortcut is Alt F8. You just can click over here, View Macros. And over here you get all the list of macros that will be there inside this workbook. So for now it is only data sort, so we'll select this data sort and we'll go and click edit. Okay, and once we click edit, this Microsoft Visual Basic for applications for macro.xlsm will get open, and over here you can see this function called as data sort, that is sub data sort, and all the code written over here inside this Visual Basic. So we will understand more about this Visual Basic Studio. So here you have got the file option where you can save this uh, code that you have just written. So I mean that got just recorded, or you can modify this code over here and do more required actions that you want, like over here, like we don't want range C7 to be selected, let's say we want C1 to be selected. So we'll just modify that and click save over here and go back over here and again click data sort. So what has happened is, like, this cell C1 is selected after running this macro. So if we wanted A1 cell to be selected, then we just write it over here as A1, range A1 dot select, and we will play it over here and see that A1 is selected. Or you can just click over here again and click this data sort, and again after running this macro, it just selected this A1 cell. So you can understand more about the code that got auto generated by just playing around, so that you can get some hands-on on coding. You don't need to be expert by start itself to learn coding. You just need to be analytical and see how the code flows, and that's sufficient. So here is the debug window. So this is play, pause, stop, and then you have got debug options like step into. So every time you want to run this code, then you just want to go to the next line, then you just go into step into. So you this gets into step into, and it will do a step-by-step debugging for you. Then run would be like continue, and reset, so that will be stop. So all these options you can go ahead and explore these. So thanks for watching this video on where you can view the macros.